Hello, my name is Christian Oranje and I'm the facilitator of this one-day introductory workshop on the subject of mastering the manifestation of more money. Are you someone who's doing okay with money, but you would like to have some more? Are you someone who is struggling with earning money and you would like to know how you can change that? Or are you someone who finds this topic of how to manifest anything, whatever you desire, an interesting and valuable topic to explore? I'm glad you're here, because you're in the right place. Because this learning to earn more money, changing the situations where you're struggling, and knowing how to manifest anything you desire is exactly what you're about to learn in this upcoming one-day introductory workshop. We are going to explore the specific mindsets you can apply to improve your manifestation results. We are going to work with the exact formula to call in additional money. We are going to practice manifesting money during the workshop. And we will use a new sound healing technique as well as practicing the ancient science of yoga to get you more in touch with your true self and therefore with the inner resources that are already available to you to accumulate more cash. You will walk away with very concrete results, very concrete tools, and a clear understanding what you can do to call in more money into your life, career, or business. Let me share with you quickly a bit more about myself. I've been in situations where I earned £35,000 a year in working with 2 clients, doing 2 one-hour sessions a week, and living in my luxury apartment in London, in the center of London. I've also experienced moments where I slept on an airbed besides the refrigerator or staying in a motorhome of a friend because I had nowhere else to go. Going on a water fast diet because there was no money left to buy food. So I became fascinated with this question, what is it that creates one or the other? In my search to get answers, I've become a student, a member of an actual school of manifestation, and over the years my fascination turned into a true passion. Not only to learn and understand the mechanics of manifestation for myself, but also to be able to share what I've learned over the years, the insights and experiences, and the tips and tools I've gathered with others like yourself. To me, applying the principles of God that govern the law of manifestation only makes sense when it can be applied in a very practical, down-to-earth way. And that's the reason why we start earning more money in this introductory workshop right away. For who is this workshop for and for who is it not? This one-day introductory workshop is suitable for people who welcome change, who are prepared to play the game called manifestation in a more conscious way. Those who accept that each game has its specific rules and who are willing to apply these rules, in this case the rules how to manifest more money, to the best of their ability. This workshop is for those who are willing to strengthen their qualities, as well as having the willingness to meet aspects of themselves which are not so nice, so easy, so comfortable to face, but doing it with the understanding that facing those aspects is actually the good news. This workshop is for those who are willing to strengthen their qualities, as well as having the willingness to meet aspects of themselves that are not so nice, so easy, so comfortable to face, but doing it with the understanding that facing those aspects is actually the good news. That changing it by letting it go, transforming it, it is actually exactly what is needed now. Understanding that such a process will pave the way, will free up the path to be able to manifest what they in their heart desire most. This workshop is not suitable for people who are looking for solutions to their problems being handed on a silver platter without having to do anything about it themselves. It is not for those who only want to feel good and systematically dismiss, repress and avoid what could make them feel uncomfortable. It is not for those who are only interested in changing their outside circumstances, who do not see or do not want to see any value of turning their eyes inward to investigate what it is inside of them that is responsible for creating the solutions they don't like nor want anymore. And it is not for those who do not appreciate the guidance and support from others, who think they know it better and rather would like to keep everything the same as is. If that's you, I advise you not to come. On the other hand, if this, what I've shared with you so far, appeals to you, close your eyes for a moment and feel. Listen to the voice of your heart. Sense into your being, and when you ask, is this for me? And you get a yes, I highly encourage you to trust that. And even more, I invite you to take immediate action, to sign up for this one-day adventure today. Why do I say this? Well, because I know that if you walk away without following up on your heart's desire, you get busy with other things. And then the monkey mind starts to whisper in your ear why this is actually not such a good idea. While I can already promise you that listening to your ego mind's advice is most of the time not working in your favor. It might be exactly the reason why you find it difficult to manifest more money in your life. So in case you feel in your heart that this workshop is for you, trust your impulse and click the Yes, Sign Me Up button now, and you will be directed to a payment page where you can finalize your reservation and secure your spot. Here underneath the video you find the information about the exact date and location where this workshop is going to take place. Important to know is that there is a limited amount of seats available. We are going to work with a small group of maximum 12 people, and the best news is probably that at the door you would pay £79, which equals the same amount in euros, for the full day. When you purchase your ticket now online, you get a 30% incentive, so you pay only £76 instead of the regular £79. In addition, but only when you pay online in advance, you also receive a free ticket to join me for an online introductory evening workshop on the Friday before the actual one-day workshop, and you also receive a £50 voucher which you can redeem at your first online private healing session with me. A session in which you have the opportunity to let go of and transform any kind of limiting money manifestation blocks. So, hit the Yes, Sign Me Up button now, and I'm looking forward to see you in this upcoming one-day introductory workshop.